G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 6, 2023. This is the US dollar basket price update. Since our last update here on the 29th of December, the price has remained pretty flat, although it's made some slight recovery. The CCI is also moving towards its moving average, and the Stochastic 100-200 is broken up through the overbought. So further downside very likely in the long term. In the medium term, you can see the 4-hour chart is bounced right off this oversold area of the Stochastic, and is a bit of a return to the moving average of the CCI 1500. And on the hourly chart, you can see here there was a bit of a divergence happening initially, with the price declining in this area, at the same time the CCI diverging on the upside. So that also proved to be positive for the price in the very short term, bouncing up into a more positive territory. Now this is looking positive, so we may see a bit more of a retrace. Now what I've drawn here is two trend lines, one in this inner channel and one in the outside channel here. So we may see a retrace back in alignment with the Stochastic bouncing off the oversold and the CCI moving to the upside towards this upper trend line on the outside of this channel. And that also aligns with, if I draw a couple of horizontal trend lines, you can see there it's currently resting on that resistance area there, and it's also potentially going to reach this potential resistance line potentially if it breaks, if this CCI breaks its moving average in the 4-hour chart and crosses over. It's already done so in the hourly, but it's moving closer on the daily and the 4-hour chart. So we may see it coming and advancing towards this outer trend line potentially in the medium term. Anyway, to better understand how to trade this going long or going short using average down, we don't use stop losses. Refer to the playlists at the end of this video to reference some of the videos available. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.